You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question on surface development of a frustum of an hexagonal pyramid. An hexagonal pyramid it has 6 sides. The distance across corner of the pyramid is 60, and the cutting plane is cutting it at the bottom at a height of 20, and at this other side at the height of 40, and the total height of the pyramid is 75. So we start by drawing the base of the pyramid. That's hexagon of diameter 60, and that will give us radius 30. We come here, 10, 20, 30. So you can come, move it as low as possible. Let's pick this point like this. So pick this point and you draw a circle of radius 30. Be very careful. Circle of radius 30. That's shifted. That's shifted. Have to be very careful. Let us check if it is still 30. And it has moved from 30, like this. Put it on this point, and you draw the circle of radius 30. So you draw horizontal line to it like this. So with the same radius of the circle, you just mark arc above and below. Mark arc above and below. You come here, you mark arc above and below. Now in this type of question, what you realize in most cases is that you will also be asked to draw the complete plan of the pyramid. So we will also do that. We also draw the complete plan of the pyramid like this. And this one like that. So we'll connect them with thin line for now. Connect the diagonals with thin lines for now. Now you can now get what, take this one a little bit above, then the center, take the center very high. Now let us pick this place as the base, shift it to that point, and you draw a horizontal line like this. So you can also take this one there. So let us measure our 75. This is 75 here. It will definitely enter into our question. So you need to take these other corners too, like this, up to the base, like that. So you now take all these ones straight up, like this, this, and this. Now we can now measure our 20 along this line, this vertical line here. You can measure our 20 there, 10, 20. These are 20, and for this one we'll measure our 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. That's our 40. So you can connect the two lines like this. So that is our cutting plane. Now remember, our seam is A. You have to write it, very, very important. Now to quickly, you can quickly draw the complete plan so that you leave that one. Let us, since our seam is here, we start our leveling from here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you take it, this point will be 1. You can see 1 is going like this, so you bring it backward, back to 1. That point, take it down to 1. You can see 1 is going here, going this way, and back to 1. So you mark that point. Now this one is our 6. It goes up here, so you bring it back from that point where it is intersecting the cutting plane. You take it back. You can see 6 is going here, it goes up and it's coming back to meet 6 here. And you notice that 6 and 2 are on the same line. If you draw this line, 6 and 2 will be on the same line. So our 2 will be intersect, it will intersect our 2 here. Now there's no edge here, so you don't need to draw any line there. Now there's another edge here, 3 and 5. So you go to where it is intersecting the cutting plane, take it back. So it is intersecting 5 here. I see 3 and 5 are on this point. It's intersecting 5 here and it's intersecting 3 here. And finally our 4 here, you bring it down. Where it is intersecting the cutting plane, you bring it down and it will intersect it here. So we quickly join this with straight line. The reason why we are joining with straight line is because it is a pyramid, and pyramid has straight edges, unlike when it is a cone. When it is a cone, you join with smooth curve. So that is the true length. That is the complete plan. So you quickly section it, because it's not compulsory you section it, because in this case now it is not solid, so we will not section it. It is not solid in this case, so we don't need to section it. It's not solid, we don't need to section it, because we are going to develop the surface. So now we are done with that. The next thing is to now develop the surface. How do you develop it? You can quickly, so that you don't forget, thicken all this one, make all these edges thick. You leave this one because there's no edge here. The reason why we have done this is for this corner. This one is for this corner, which is referring to this now, and for this corner is this. So you have to thicken that one, and this corner is this one. You have to make it thick, and you draw your section line. It's very important. Make this one thick like that. That's the section line. Now to develop, because all these edges has to be drawn in thick line. You have to draw them in thick line. This one, thick line, and thick line. Now, because one of the corners of the pyramid is horizontal, then this length is true length. So all you need to do is just to take the length and you describe an arc. When you have described the arc, you now come to get one of the side of the base of the pyramid. You take it and mark it 6 times, because we have 6 sides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has entered into this, and 6 has entered a little. So you draw radial lines from all those points. Radial lines from all those points. Draw radial lines from all those points of division. The last one, like that. Now, the next is to now begin to now transfer. Now, since this is our seam, you label this place as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to 1. Now let us first of all do 4, because this is our seam, so we have to start from, there's nothing to develop here because there's no cutting at the bottom, so this one will remain, it will only join with straight edges. Now for this one, now you put your pin at the apex of the pyramid and extend it to A, and you describe an arc like that. We have described an arc. This is our one here, and the other one is here. So the next one is this point, which is 2 and 6. You first of all draw a horizontal line like this, that is this point. So you now draw an arc from that point like that. So, and it is 2 and 6. Our 2 is here and our 6 is here. The next one is 3 and 5. You draw a horizontal line first to the side of the pyramid. So you extend it to that point and you describe an arc. Yeah, that is for 3 and 5. Our 3 is here, you can see 3, and our 5 is here. And the last one is for 4. You extend it horizontally like this, intersecting it here. So you put it at the center and extend to that point, and you, yeah, like that. So that is for our 4. Where is our 4? Our 4 is here. So you join. Now you join with straight lines. So you join with straight line. The reason why we are joining with straight line, I told you, is because this is a pyramid and it has straight edges. Pyramid has straight edges, unlike cone that has curved surfaces. Now, unlike in the case of cone, when you leave this place as curved, in the case of pyramid, all these ones are straight line, not curved part. So you have to join them with straight line as well. You have to join them with straight line like this, and finally depth. Now, see again, unlike the case of cone, all these ones are edges. They are all these edges, all those edges. So you have to draw them thick, unlike in the case of cone. So you draw them with thick lines. So that is the development of the frustum of the prism. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.